Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your TD Bank with the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use the OnePay app and you want to fund it with your TD Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you're going to log onto the OnePay app. Next, click on the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Account. Next, click on Linked Accounts. Then from here, click on Link Bank Account. On this page here, you're going to be redirected to Plaid. Plaid is what OnePay uses in order to keep your data safe. Click on Get Started, then click on Continue as Guest. Then from here, scroll down until you find TD. Click on TD, and then it's going to prompt you to log into your TD Bank, so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to the OnePay app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your TD Bank to the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.